What do you do when your i8 don't start? Alright, here's the simple way to change the battery in your remote on your BMW i8. If you ever get that message that says that the battery is empty in your car, it should come up on your cluster. It'll say battery is empty, and that basically means your battery is low. So it'll be on the cluster inside the car. This is the kind of battery you're gonna need. 2032. You're gonna need a 2032. That's basically, one of your watch batteries that the remote uses. And a lot of us have protectors because we know this thing can hit the ground and can go into 4 pieces. So to avoid that, I would suggest going to, search on the internet somewhere and get you one of these right here, little silicone covers. So real easy. So if you've never taken this off, maybe you bought it and it already had one of these on there, silicone comes off real easy. Me personally, I went with a fancy rose gold colored one for the wife. Because in case you didn't know, you actually can program each key separately. So most of you know that you can control the lighting inside of the BMW i8, the piping to be orange, white, or blue, radio settings and everything. You literally can do that from the key. So if I start the car or unlock the car with this key, then whatever settings I leave it on, that's where it's going to be at next time I hit unlock on this key. Same thing with this key. It could be completely different settings. So try it out. If you have 2 keys, you should have 2 keys. So try it out. All right, real easy. So let's get it open. Real easy. First thing you want to do, you want to press this button here. Hold it in to take the manual key out. Take the manual key out. Real easy. That was really, really simple. So what we're gonna do, this is the back cover. The battery is behind here. So what we want to do is pop this off and not break it. Got my fancy tool here. You probably could use your finger. I just don't want to take a chance. I would much rather use just a slight tool, something real small, right in there. So we're gonna use that. So again, we're just going right in here. Right in here, we want to pop this off. That's exactly what we did. It popped off real easy. And as you can see, your battery's in here. 2032, 3-volt battery, face down. Let's open our battery up. Use our tool to get in there. Use our tool to get in there. This might sound crazy, but when you have a new battery and you're not rushing, like I just did, dropped it on the floor, you want to take your top part off, the plastic. I know that's common sense, but somebody may just take the battery and put it in there and not pay any mind. So that's why I'm giving you that step. Remove the plastic, pop out the old battery, move it out the way. I don't want to confuse the old one with the new. Real simple, push that down in there, face down. Then there's a little lip here that you want to scoop down into here and then just press it down. All one piece again, real easy. Let's grab our manual key, place it back in, all in one piece, and put our silicone case on. If you don't have one, seriously, most of the time you can find these for $3 to $5 on Amazon a lot of times. It's well worth it. They have fancy ones too that you can get. So the next thing we need to do is go to the car and see if this works, because it was completely dead. All right. Oh man, when the key battery is dead, oh my goodness. All right, so we have our remote And this is what's cool about the remotes, right? So you see I have two remotes. Got two remotes. You can program the remotes just like two different drivers. So for example, I can set my lights to blue. You can see if we can see the blue. See the blue trim, you know, the piping is blue. Now, let me lock it back with the green key. Now, let's use the rose gold key. Let's use the rose gold key. It's orange because I set it, the lighting, with the rose gold key. Your radio stations, all your settings can be set by the key. A lot of people probably didn't know that. So let me lock that, and it's instant. So I can go green with my green key unlocked. Should be back blue. Back blue. Lock it back. Let's go to the rose gold key. Excuse the camera shaking. Rose gold key. Should be orange, and it's orange. Gotta love it. Don't forget to subscribe. E-Vapors on YouTube. The i8 is a beautiful car. I mean, look at those tail lights, man. It's a monster. It's a straight monster, without a doubt. Daytime, nighttime, it's a monster. E-Vapors on YouTube. Subscribe. Beautiful car. But that's how you change the watch battery. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.